Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aslack. Today I made this short video because I have an important announcement to make. I know you have read the video title. Yes, we're going to change the name of our channel. We started our channel on August of 2020, and from that day to till this day, you guys have been supporting me a lot. And thank you guys for all the support that you have been giving me. Our channel's name was Manglish Medical Lectures, and finally I've decided to change it. So what will be the new name? I'll be changing it to my name, Aslack Saleem. Saleem is the name of my father. I'll also be renaming our Instagram account and our Telegram channel. The reason why I am changing the name of my channel is to post more wider content. I don't want to pigeonhole myself into just this one category of lectures, since now I am planning to post some wider content. Breast carcinoma is one of the best lecture I have done in my channel, and I randomly get comments appreciating that work, and I'm so happy about it. So I may make similar lectures in the future if I believe that I can contribute something special. I'll be changing the name of the channel the next day after I upload this video. That's all about it. Looking forward to meet you with more wider and better content. I hope you guys understand this, and I believe that you guys will continue to give me your love and support that you have been providing me from day one. Please let me know in the comments how you feel about this decision. As always, thank you for being here. Take care.